Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sophia Camarda if you're new, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing and review of these MagSafe accessories by Anker. These are actually both brand new, so I'm really excited to test these out. I personally am such a big fan of MagSafe, so I'm super excited to test out these products and let you guys know what I think and see these products hands-on. First, I have the Anker MagGo wireless charging station. This is a 3-in-1 folding charging station. Here is what the box looks like, and it can charge 3 devices at the same time. I actually love this because I really hate having a million cords everywhere, so getting a 3-in-1 charger with no wires is honestly game-changing. I highly recommend that. So let's just do a bit of an unboxing first and kind of see what this has to offer. On the back, you can see how the charger is used. They have the Apple Watch, their AirPods, and the iPhone all at once, and as you can see, it's very portable. So let's see what's inside the box. As always, we've got our cute cloud cutter. Firstly, you get this quick start guide on the inside, and then here is what it looks like when you open the box. So they have the power cable, they have the actual device, and then this is obviously the power brick. The power cable does use USB-C, which is very convenient. And then this is the power brick. It says Anker on it, and it has the little port for the USB-C. I'm just gonna go ahead and plug this in. And now here is the actual 3-in-1 device. So we're just gonna unpack it. This feels like I'm unboxing an iPhone. As you can see, you've got the main MagSafe ring right here, and then it actually does have a hinge, so it folds like this. And then on the bottom, there is this other MagSafe attachment. So this one would be used for the Apple Watch. So basically what you would do is put your phone right here, and then your AirPods right here, and then you put your Apple Watch right here. So it charges all of them all at once. On the side, it has an area to put the USB-C. So you would just plug it in like this. And then obviously this would go into the wall. So let's actually plug this in and see it in action. Here's a closer look of the MagGo 3-in-1 charger. So this charger is fully compatible with Apple's MagSafe and is as fast as the original Apple MagSafe charger. It's a 15-watt charging device, making it twice as fast as other normal 7.5-watt wireless chargers. It's around the same size as an Apple mouse and charges all of your Apple devices at once. So here's a look at how it charges your Apple Watch. This charger is actually certified by Apple that it is made for Apple Watch itself. Just a 30-minute charging session can give your Apple Watch 9 47% battery. It also charges AirPods that support MagSafe charging, as well as any iPhone with the MagSafe charging capabilities. One of my favorite things about this charger is that while I can charge all my devices, I can also use it as a stand while I'm working. So I really like that I can use it almost as another display to see what I'm working on, but it's also still easy to use my phone if I need to. It has a really sleek design, so it's easy to transport, and it weighs 6.9 ounces, which is about the same weight as the iPhone 15 Plus. So for the Anker MagGo 3-in-1, I think this is an awesome device. I'm definitely going to be using this next to my bed so I can charge all of my devices all at once. The fact that the charger also works as a stand is so nice because it works really well with Apple's new standby mode. It's really convenient to be able to use your iPhone almost as like an alarm clock next to your bed. I really like how it just feels very luxurious, like it feels high-end. So I think this one would be good for people that are huge Apple fans like me and have multiple Apple devices and you feel like you always have a bunch of cords all over the place. This is a good solution to eliminate that, and I highly recommend it if you have multiple Apple products that all need to be charged on a daily basis. And this is also really good for people that travel because of the fact that it does fold up. It's really easy to just go like this and literally have it like in your pocket. It's kind of like a wallet size almost. I kind of like the flipping aspect because it reminds me of like a 2000s flip phone. Listen, I love the way it looks. I love the white. I think it's super nice. I love the materials, the metal. It just looks beautiful. And this is actually $109.99, so I don't think that's a bad price at all for this. And they do also sell it in black, so if you guys like black, they do have that option as well. And then for our second product, we have the Anker MagGo power bank. And this is kind of like a portable charger, also using MagSafe. And it does have this screen on the side, which is going to be very useful. And as you can see, it says it's 2 times faster, so that is awesome. And again, here is what the back looks like, so you can see kind of how it's used. And let's open it up. Here we go. Another quick start guide. This is another power cable for the device. It also uses USB-C. And then here is the power bank. This actually has like a really nice weight to it. Not that it's heavy, it just feels like expensive. So here's a look at the power bank. It's very clean looking, as you can see. It's super white. It has the wireless charging right here. On the side, it does have this USB-C port so that you can charge it. And then on the back, it has this nice metal Anker logo. And this actually works as a little kickstand, so you can go like this and put your phone like that. So it also kind of doubles as a stand for your phone because you can put your phone here and this will rest against the table like this. So that's very useful. And then on this side, it has the smart display, so that's going to tell you the charge of the power bank. Everybody's favorite part is to peel off the plastic, so let's do that. So what we're gonna do is just obviously make sure that this is charged, so you'll plug this in like that. And then this you can obviously plug into a USB-C power brick. And here's a look at the MagGo power bank. So like the 3-in-1, it charges your phone as fast as the original Apple MagSafe charger. It'll charge an iPhone 15 Pro from 0 to 25% twice as fast as other 7.5 watt chargers. This power bank has a capacity of 10,000 milliamp hours and can provide 1.8 full charges to an iPhone 15 Pro. The smart display shows the remaining usage time of the power bank when it's in use, and when it's charging, it'll display how long until it's fully charged. The best part about this device is the fact that it is wireless, so you can charge your phone while you're on the go, and it just sticks right onto the back of your phone with any case that supports MagSafe. It looks amazing on my iPhone, especially with the white and titanium. It matches perfectly. And then for the Anker MagGo, I really like it just because it does have this display on it. I think that already gives it an advantage compared to other power banks that are out there. I also really love the stand aspect because the fact you could use it as a stand for your phone is really helpful. Say you're at a coffee shop or something, you can just whip this out and have your phone charging on the table next to you. You can see it easily, it's being stood up for you, and you could see what the power is. It's just perfect, honestly. It's charging your phone and holding it up for you. Like, what more could you want? So in my opinion, this is like the perfect power bank for your phone. Also, it just looks very aesthetically pleasing to the eye. It looks high-end and obviously has great charging capabilities. And what's cool about this is it does come in multiple colors if you want to switch it up. It comes in this white color, but they also have it in black, blue, green, and violet. So if you want to switch it up, you definitely could to fit your aesthetic. But I really like the white, as you could tell. I like a very neutral scheme, so very convenient, and I will be using this on my day-to-day. So overall, I really like both of these Anker products, and honestly, like, once you go to MagSafe charging, you really don't go back. It is just the best way to charge your devices. Wires are just so outdated, honestly. So once you get a really good quality MagSafe device like the ones I just showed, it is just so much easier than having a ton of different wires around everywhere. And I do recommend these devices just because they're good quality, it's just a good brand, and because of the fact both of these devices are so portable, that just honestly does it for me, because it is never fun to have to lug around different chargers. So the fact that they're both like super tiny and easy to transport is another huge bonus. I had a lot of fun testing out these products, and I was very happy to share them with you guys. So shout out to Anker for sponsoring this video. I very much appreciate it, and I really genuinely love both of these products so much, and I will be using them every single day. As always, let me know what you guys want to see next time, and thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye!